Hey everyone, it's Sammy from Scrapmaster's Paradise, and I have got a haul for you guys today. I ordered from the greeting farm directly from their website, and I wanted to get a few things. They do this thing called Farmer's Market where they deeply discount some of their older stamps, and sometimes it looks like they're just clearancing out things, and sometimes it looks like they're bringing back stuff. So I really don't know. I'm not in with their stuff every month. Oops. I'm not like keeping up with their stuff every month, so I don't really know how everything is as far as like if these stamps are really old and they brought them back for this, or if they got clearanced. I have no idea. I don't know how readily available these ones were before the farmer's market. So I also, while I was there, I ordered a bunch of newer stuff, or at least new to me stuff. Some of it was brand new stuff. And again, I'm not really following their monthly releases, so I don't know how old this stuff is, but it's completely new to me. So I wanted to pick up some things. A couple of things were on sale, and then I paid full price for a couple of things. I really am trying to get back into card making and scrapbooking, and so I thought new stuff might help motivate me for that. And so I ended up buying quite a bit of stuff. I really liked a few of their dies, but they were sold out of the ones that I really wanted. So I will end up maybe ordering from them again. So I really liked their clear stamps, and of course I always have liked their rubber stamps. They're just one of my favorite companies, so I was just really excited to get some new goodness from them. And I did have a recent video showing something I had ordered from them a while back too. And I had ordered this quite a while back, and since these farmers market ones were pre-orders, they held my whole order, which I was totally okay with. And like I said, I'm not really scrapbooking or card making yet, so I didn't really care that it took a while, and I knew that going into it, that the pre-orders would take a while. So let's go ahead and walk through everything. These ones are labeled and these ones are not labeled, so I actually need to grab my packing slip for that. I grabbed my packing slip so I could see what they are called. These ones are all labeled with the name, and then these ones are just rubber, and these ones don't come with the little like front sheet, which is okay. I have quite a few that aren't with the front sheet. So we have got, this one is Snoodle Anya. She's really cute. Hopefully you guys can see. She's holding a little cup. She's got little bunny slippers, and I like this one. I know this one was a much older one, because I remember when this one came out way in the past, and I thought it was super cute with her little bunny slippers. And then the next one is Cheshire Bean. They had a whole collection of these little beans, and I thought that one was cute. I didn't order the whole set of the Alice in Wonderland ones, which I missed out on. That one is super cute. And then the last one is one of the super secret stamp clubs. This is number 34, and it's a little mermaid. You guys know I really like all the little mermaid and under the sea things, so super duper cute. And then these are all labeled, so I don't have to refer to my sheet. We've got this one called Lettered, and I am just a sucker for anything brush stroke scripty. That one's super cute. I really like these. They're like the perfect size for cards. They've got great sentiments on there. That's cute. They do have some dies for some of these, or maybe all of these, and they were just sold out of the ones I wanted. I love that brush script. And then here is a Cheeky Babe, which I thought was super duper cute. I really like the cheekies, and I like she came with the little conversation hearts. Super cute. I got quite a few of the cheekies. And then a Holiday Anya number 7. I really liked her. Super cute. I have a lot of the holiday ones, and I've been out of the game for a while, so I haven't gotten them in a while, but number 7 is what we're at. Super cute. And then you're a gem. Libby loves all things unicorns and ponies. I do have a set. It was the greeting farm with Simon Says stamp. I do have at least one set, possibly 2 of their little unicorns. And Libby will help color some of these ones with me, I'm sure. And then here's a Happy Birthday to You, Anya. I like the writing again. Just with a little birthday cake. I thought it was cute. And Libby will help color all these with me. And I think this one actually may have been on discount. I'm not exactly sure about this one, but I really loved the Aloha and the Mahalo here. Of course, the creatures are cute too, with the little pineapple, the flowers, and little elements. Thought that was super cute. So I really mainly got it for these sentiments, but I like the others too. I'll definitely make some cute little cards with that. And again, Libby will love to color the little items. But I just envisioned super clean and simple cards using just the Aloha and the pineapple. I just think it'd be super cute. So that one was adorable, and I'm pretty sure this one was on sale. And that's it. So it's a super quick little haul. I really, really love their stamps. I've loved their stamps for years, and I really want to get back into doing some Copic coloring. And so this will inspire me a little bit more. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. Give me a thumbs up and subscribe, and hopefully I will be back very soon. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a great day. Bye.